Hey everyone, it's Tommy. Thanks for joining. Do me a quick favor here and be sure to subscribe and definitely share this video as I'm trying to reach out to many new traders who might need a little bit of help understanding how the market trades as well as some of these small cap stocks and how volatile they are. So please do that and definitely hit like on this video. So let's get started here with winners and losers. We've had some up and down success here recently, and that has to do with the overall market conditions. But first of all, we had KXIN, which is an alert that went off a little bit early, but we definitely managed through this. And one big thing about swing trading and definitely looking for your best price trading with these types of movements is sometimes you might be a little bit early, but you have to definitely have a plan. You definitely whether it's going to be average your cost average down, or simply just be patient and let the chart play itself out. But KXIN was one that we definitely had this, and we had the opportunity to add shares lower, especially into last week when we had those discounts starting on the 22nd, 23rd, with a nice little rebound here, and then coming back down again, having a chance to buy those shares back. But today we definitely got news this morning, and in the pre-market, this hit a high of $4.91, and from the low, this was about a 40% trade, and our overall net was probably somewhere in the 15 to 20% range, depending on how this was traded. But we definitely got out of this trade here, and things went quite well with this one. So that's KXIN, and let's go ahead and talk about one of the trades that hasn't worked out so well just yet, SNES. So SNES is another alert that went off, but this is more of a long-term play. This is something that I discussed with people in my group, where I think that the speculation on this, with what this the stock can do and what it's done in the past, is this is one where you get a PR and then one day it's up 100%, 200%. So with these levels, with some support here, which we're starting to see, we right in this area, I'll draw you a quick line right here. So we've seen a touch here off the 160 mark here. So I'm going to put this right around 169, where we've touched a couple of times here, and I've got this body forming right here. But I definitely see an opportunity here with SNES making a big move. So I'm not really over concerned with this particular play. Definitely like how it's touched off at $2 a few times. Would like to see that come back up to the $2 mark and make a push. So we'll definitely keep SNES on watch. But so far, it has not been a winner for us. It is a I am holding this. I have traded around this position. So right now, my loss is unrealized, but I do believe that this is going to break over this trend line and give us a push over 250 or much higher on any good news. Now, another one which we have done a great job with here is FUBO TV, and this was awesome. So again, the week where everything started to shift was the week somewhere around the 16th of February. We started to see the markets to decline, and then as you can see here, this guy went down into the low 30s, low and mid 30s a couple of times, bounced up to 40, and then here it is again after hours. It's at $43. It hit a high of 45, and they just posted their earnings results. So this was a fantastic trade, an opportunity to go long in this particular play here, because we still believe that FUBO has a lot of upside. But just like anything else, you trade around your core position, and things like this can definitely pull back. If you watched Zoom today, Zoom had great numbers at the end of the day yesterday, but if you just look what happened there after it hit 458 in the after hours, you look what it did today. So with the conditions of the markets right now, even great news is being sold off. So that's an indicator that we're in some rough waters. So you definitely want to be aware of what's going on and navigate through your trade with this. So it's a great time to study up your charts, study up some history on when the markets get a little bit choppy like this, and then proceed with caution. And then once we get through it, of course, upside is always tremendous. So those were a few tickers here that we happen to trade, some of the winners and definitely losers. So thank you so much again for tuning into this video here. Again, please hit subscribe and like, and there'll be plenty more videos to come out here in the future. Thank you.